Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing a full tutorial on how to make the viral 3D Resin Pooja Thali. I have mixed resin and hardener in a 2:1 ratio for about 6 minutes. After that, I'm adding white metallic pigment paste and white mica powder for a rich, elegant look. You can use any resin pigments of your choice, but make sure they are suitable for resin. For this Pooja Thali, I'm using a 12-inch round agate mold. Mixing the pigments with resin, I pour the first layer. Flowers, I use a flower mold. After pouring the white resin, I spray with a bubble booster spray to remove air bubbles. If you prefer, you can also use a heat gun. After pouring the second layer, I decorate the thali with small white pearls for an elegant finish. Finally, after 24 hours, here is the final look of my Resin Pooja Thali. Let me know in the comments if you like the design. If you enjoy such videos, hit the like button and subscribe to VibesResinArt.